In this film we're looking at the compatibility of the Lenz LS150 accessory decoder, point switch decoder, with the ECOS. So I've borrowed a little ECOS and I've wired in an accessory decoder, so the LS150. It is connected to the track feeds through J&K, so track feed back to the ECOS track, and it's connected to a 3 amp TR100 transformer. So that gives it power to switch the points, and that gives it commands to control the points. Got 6 outlets for solenoid style motors, so in this particular setup I've got 2 Fleischmann point motors connected up. So there we are. In order to program the accessory decoder, you press this programming button, and you can give up to 2048 addresses to them. Accessory decoder does come with a full English manual. You can give them up to 1024 addresses, so it will cover most layouts we can conceive of. At the moment they're usually delivered from the factory on address 1 through 6. If I press and hold the programming button, the red light will come on, and it needs a load on the first outlet, so wire up a point motor to the first one to allow you to program it. How the ECOS does switching is probably best discussed with your specialist ECOS supplier, but I've set up some boards here. So I want to put it to a new range of addresses, and the first address in that range is 37. I'm going 37 through 42. If we just switch the first one, you'll see that the red LED has gone out, and now the accessory decoder is programmed 37, 38, 39, 40, up to 42. So whenever it receives the command that it's programmed for, the red light will flash. There we are. So it's as easy as that to program. It also accepts commands from the roots mode on the ECOS, and you can also set up different delays, so if your point motors need more time to move, then you can change that just following the instructions within the manual, up to 10 seconds. I've just brought the camera closer in so that you can see double slip changing there and the point changing there. German manufacturers are used to point motors that have very low power consumption. For instance, these Fleischmann ones, though not the prettiest looking thing in the world, only take 250 milliamps to move. So it makes them very efficient and very user-friendly for automation. Unfortunately, on the British market we're used to much more power-hungry point motors. So they can be up to 2 amps. The good news is that the Lenz LS150 can cope with these. It has a bit of capacitance in it. It allows it to store and can continuously fire these point motors.